Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKenna. Just want to drop a quick video to everybody. First off, to compliment you on the great job that everybody did in Module 1, kind of getting the class started. Some really interesting stuff that you guys shared, especially the things that you didn't know about me or things that you would find interesting was really fascinating. So I hope that you had a chance to look through a lot of your classmates' posts to learn a little bit more about the really diverse community that we have here in the sense of married, single, working, second time in college, second degree, and so forth. So really a fun group. What I want to do, I want to share a little bit with you about this week's module 2. And this is going to be the more typical module. I think it's you could see this here. So of course you have the overview. When you look at the uh, watch and read, not surprising. When you look at the read, make sure that you, before you read or watch the videos, look at these questions here so that you can be ready for the little assessment that you're going to take after you do the readings and watch the video. So take a look at those questions, but you have two relatively short readings, and then you'll have two relatively short videos. So you click on these to scroll. So once you've done the readings, watch the videos, take a look at those questions. Then you're going to go to the next part of the module, which is the apply, and you will click here to take the module assessment. I think there's 5 or 6 questions in the assessment, multiple choice. They're relatively easy, straightforward. So go ahead and take that. The last question is a short answer question. And if you miss one of the multiple choice, but you answer the short answer question in a reasonable manner, then you'll get credit back. So most students end up with 100 on these assessments, which is the goal, right? So you'll take the assessment, and then this week you'll enter into the discussion. And again, I want to. This one is about talent versus grit, right? That would you rather have a little bit more talent or be a little bit more gritty? And it ties into the readings and so forth. Just want to emphasize the importance of getting into your discussion forum early in the week. By Thursday midnight, if you haven't posted, you're going to start to lose some points. And so all you have to do is just shift the time that you do this to early in the week. It's no more work. It's just when you do it. So get that post in by Thursday, and then I want you to make sure that anything that's posted in response to you by Friday, that you reply back. And it can be as simple as just a thumbs up on the reply. I'll show you here real quick. Let me pause this video and I'll show you how to do it. Just a real quick, even just a thumbs up. Okay, so here I am in the forum, the discussion forum. And when you go in to take a look at what people did, now I'm not giving anything away here because this is all viewable by everybody, but here was my response to Sarah in the class, and Sarah responded to me. I had kind of a question for her, which she responded here. Now, if you want to reply, and again, you don't have to write necessarily anything. I just want you to read my response and students' response to you. So if you want to respond, I'll do a response for me. If I hit the reply here to Sarah's response, um, you can see that you can certainly write something, but this little plus sign over here, if you hit it, you can click on an emoji, and then just do a smiley face. It doesn't matter, but it's just an indication that you went back in and that you actually read response to your posts or the question. So you can see there it is, the little smiley face. So this is real easy to do. Okay. So very good. Keep up the good work. I know it's only a 1 hour class. It's easy to forget about this sometimes. So pay attention to emails that you get. I'll do some reminding periodically, but otherwise, off to a great start. I look forward to learning more about all of you as we progress in the class. Okay, have a good weekend.